Oh shit, just the camera. That's going to be by the grace of God if that thing starts.